So today I'm going to be making a couple of fall pumpkin wood signs. So I picked up everything from the Dollar Tree. I got a couple of these wood pumpkins, some burlap leaves, a couple of bows, some flowers, and these little stickers. So you're just going to start by painting your pumpkins. It's super easy to just pour it on and spread it all out. I only did about one coat, not exactly two, just kind of filling in any spots where I thought I needed it to be a little bit thicker. This one did have a crack in it, so I went a little heavier in the crack of the pumpkin to try to even it out. Now I just went in with some brown to kind of give it a little more depth and texture, more of a distressed look to it, and did it on the stem and the edges for some shadowing. And then I went over it again with the sponge brush in white just to give it a more distressed look. And here I'm just cleaning it up a little bit with some more white paint. And this doesn't really have to be perfect. A lot of it's going to be covered. Now for this, I'm just snipping the backs off of the flowers and the stems off of the leaves. And I like to go ahead and place all my flowers before gluing them down to see how I want them. And add a little glue underneath the bottom of the stem for extra hold. My glue gun was not cooperating with me. And then these stickers are really easy. You just peel them up and place them. And there's your little fall sign.